In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Tradingview. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe and let's get right into it. So if you are new to trading and you need to create an account on Tradingview, because this is the most popular charting software that anyone uses in the trading space, what you can do is you can head over to tradingview.com and then you'll be on this page here. And from here, as you can see, there is no option here to click on sign up. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the top right hand corner and select sign in. Once you click on sign in, as you can see right down at the bottom, hidden away is an option for sign up. So don't have an account, sign up, click on that. Once you click on that, as you can see, it now says sign up, and you can choose to sign up through Google, Facebook and other social media sites, or you can do that by email. So if you click on email, what that will do is it will bring that up here, and you will need to enter in a username in this little section. So once you enter in a username and it is available, that will be fine to move on and enter in your email address. So once you've entered in all your information and it meets all requirements, what you can do is you can read through the terms of service, privacy and cookies policy also, and you can also click this box here to opt out of marketing emails. And then once you've done that, you can click on this little capture here, I am not a robot. And once you've gone through all that, all you simply need to do is select the create an account button here. So once you click on create an account, you'll be on this page here, and all this is saying is you need to verify your account by going to your email inbox and clicking on the activation link. So that's how you can go ahead and create an account on Tradingview.